girls, and welcome to Chord on Guitar. Gatie here with us again, and this time with a song called Crying in the Rain. So, like always, beautiful songs coming out from Gatie. So, we need to set our capo here on the first fret, and we have 4 chords that roll through the entire song here. So, let's start with the 4 chords. That is first A minor. So, open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord will be F. I'm gonna show you 2 variations of it, since we're gonna use one way of playing that one for the verse and one for the chorus. All right, so the first is the standard F chord as it is. So you're gonna play a bar here on the first fret, all strings, and the rest will be third on A, third on D, second on G. That's it for the first standard F. The next grip for F will be this grip here. Alright, and we will use that in most cases here for the song. So that will be first on E string, then third on A, then second on D, and second on G. And this second on G is optional, so what you really need are the E, A, and D string for this one. Okay, so that was the F. Then for C, you will play third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And the final chord will be G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, open B this time. Usually we learn and teach third on B, but for this song, open B, and third E. All right, so there we have the 4 chords that will go in that order through the entire song: A minor, F, C, and G. Okay, so for most parts of this song, we will play A minor, and we will emphasize the first fret on B string. So this note here. So what you do there, I suggest that you play the 4 strings together. Just pluck like this. So that means the A, D, G, and B string together. Okay. Then you shift to F, and this is the strange grip, but it's not that hard actually, because you will just keep these 2 fingers here, the second fret D and second fret G from the A minor. Keep them and just go up with your index finger on the first fret E string here, and with your little pinky on the 3rd fret A string. And here you pluck all these 4 strings, or at least the E, A, and D. The G is optional. You want to emphasize the 2nd fret D string. This note here. Alright, so that is the grip. Pretty easy from A minor, like this, and you go up here. Alright, then next chord will be C. This one you want to emphasize the open E string. So I suggest you pluck the A, G, B, and E string. And the final chord is the G. Here you want to emphasize the open B string, and that is the reason for why we're playing that in open. So here I suggest you play the E, D, G, and B together like this. So 1 round of that chord progression for all parts except from the chorus will sound like this: A minor, then F, then C, and finally G. And it goes around like this. And for the choruses, like in the lyrics, "Oh, I never meant to leave you crying in the rain." So that's where the chorus starts. Here you're gonna play the same chords in the same order, A minor, F, C, and G. You're gonna play bass, top, bass, top, bass, top for each and every chord. So what I mean by that, it sounds like this. Bass, top, bass, top, bass, top. So for A minor, you're gonna alternate with the open A string. That's the bass, and the top strings you're gonna play from the chords. It will be the D, G, and B string. And for next chord F, you're gonna play the F as it is, the standard F chord now. And here you're gonna alternate the E string as the bass string, and the top will be D, G, and B. Sorry, I got the E there, but like that. And here you want to emphasize the first fret on the B string, so that is this note. Then for C, you're gonna play the third fret A string as a bass, and you're gonna alternate that with the top strings, which are the G, B, and E. Here again, you want to emphasize the open E string. And for the final chord, the G, you want to play the third fret on E string as the bass, and the top strings will be D, G, and B. And you want to emphasize the open B string. So a couple of rounds with the right rhythm will sound like this for the choruses. So that will pretty much cover Gate's song called Crying in the Rain. So I hope this was helpful. Pretty easy song to play. Same chords, just two different techniques. And that's it. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope to see you soon. And don't forget, play tuned.